Ella's Pocket of Stars, a short moral story. Ella was a quiet little girl who loved the night sky. Every evening, she'd lie on the hill near her cottage, watching the stars twinkle. One chilly night, a shooting star zipped past, and Ella whispered a wish, "I wish I could keep the stars close to me forever." The next morning, she found something strange in her coat pocket, a tiny star, glowing softly like a firefly. Overjoyed, she cupped it in her hands and whispered, "I'll keep you safe." As days passed, more stars appeared in her pocket. Ella began hiding them, afraid others might take them. But the sky grew dimmer each night. The stars were missing. Realizing what she had done, Ella climbed the hill and gently tossed the stars back to the sky. As they soared upward, the night lit up brighter than ever. A voice in the wind whispered, "Stars are meant to be shared." Ella smiled, lying back to watch them dance above. Moral: true beauty isn't in keeping something for yourself, but in letting it shine for everyone. Thank you for watching.